In this video, we'll be looking at profiles in the Veryfi mobile app. With profiles, you can separate multiple businesses or your business and personal income and expenses. Start by tapping on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap your profile name at the top of the settings screen and then tap the Add a Profile option. Enter your preferred username, name, and email address. This email address can be the same as your other profiles, but if you'd like all communication from Veryfi to go to a different address for your new profile, you can use a different email address instead. Next, tap the Create Profile button. Fill in your company name, address, size, and website URL. Then once you're done, tap the Add Company button and your new profile will be created. Now when you tap your profile name at the top, you will see both profiles listed for you to switch between. You're now ready to start collecting documents for your new profile. Your Veryfi subscription includes up to 3 profiles by default. If you'd like more than that, please reach out to us at support@veryfi.com. If you'd like to delete any of your profiles, sign into your account online at hub.veryfi.com, switch to the appropriate profile, then open the Settings submenu on the left and click on Profile. For any questions, comments, or feedback, email us at support@veryfi.com.